heading for the south coast and being squeezed by the next system. So we've got a squeeze of winds and of more rain. It's still pretty tight as far as the wind is concerned on Wednesday. It's still coming from the west, and this runner here is going to bring more rain for southern parts of the country. Now, we've been in that mile there for a while. It's not really that much of a change. You can see the yellow dome there. We don't really leave it even during Tuesday and Wednesday. It's not far away on the continent. But there's a bit of a change tonight. At least it's going to be quite chilly. The wind's still hanging on around the edges, but fairly light inland. Could be a touch of mist here and there. And temperatures may well drop to 5 degrees in some places, or even 3 up in the highlands. But those light winds that you see in the morning will again increase during tomorrow. They're coming up from the south, which is quite a good direction, at least for temperatures. It's also a very wet direction. Very windy then in the west at least, with gale force winds there, and that will bring rain with it into the southern counties up by lunchtime, then spreading from the west and the south to cover us, just about all of us, by the end of daylight hours. But that means a good start anyway. For northeastern England, a good deal of sunshine in the morning, but it will rapidly cloud up from both the south and the west. We'll see rain coming into the central part of the country during the later part of the morning, early afternoon, and in fact it will have been there anyway in the south of England, through Ireland and western Scotland throughout most of the morning. Won't be till evening you see it start to drift away again from Scotland and Northern Ireland, but some heavy bursts likely over the rest of the country. I said the south was a mild direction, so expect it to feel rather mild, unless of course you're soaking wet and standing in that very, very strong wind. Now, as far as Wednesday is concerned, sunshine and showers to the north, feeling briefly colder, and yet more rain returns to the south. And I think during Thursday that might make its way further north in the country as well.
This year, one drama company will have an audience of millions, yet no one will see a thing. It will launch many of the country's funniest comedians, but you won't know their faces. Its arts coverage will be as comprehensive as any in the world, but you can't watch it. It will prize revelations from politicians, actors and businessmen, but you won't read all about it. Who is it? Radio 4. Hearing is believing.
Now on BBC One, in a change to the published edition, which will be shown next Monday, Jane Corbin presents tonight's Panorama.